Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically turn on and off captions on TikTok. So super simple. You're just going to select the share button and there's the turn off captions, and you can just select it if you want the captions to be turned off. But if you want to enable the captions, which I do, press the share button again and turn on captions, and it's going to show it. It doesn't work for all videos though, because some people don't have the captions on, which I think they should, because not everyone can hear. So I believe that people should just turn on all the auto captions like on TikTok, so for people who can't hear, they can still see the captions on the video. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!